Namaste everyone. Today, when we hear the word astrology, we often think about the newspaper predictions of daily horoscopes. But in Indian tradition, here astrology or Jyotishya meant that Jyotishyam Vedanam Chakshuhu means Jyotishya or the astrology is the eye of Vedas. It was the science of light, time, and celestial observations. Long before telescopes were introduced, our ancestors were calculating and finding the mappings between the heavenly bodies without any mathematical devices. So this was measured using mathematical precisions, and also the mechanics of universe was identified by our ancestors. In Hanuman Chalisa, there's a verse called Yuga Sahasra Yojana Parabhanu Linyo Tahi Madura Palajanu, means Hanuman traveled the distance of yugas and also the yojanas to thinking that he would reach the sun, the Bhanu, as a sweet fruit. At first glance, it looks like a beautiful mythological story, but let's go into deeper hidden mathematical equations behind it. So, one yuga means 12,000 years, one sahasra means 1,000, and one yojana means 8 miles. So, the unit of measurement between the sun and the earth is given by this equation or using this verse. So it is 12,000 into 1,000 into 8 miles. That is equal to 9.6 million miles. But in modern calculations using all these telescopes, and NASA has given the approximate distance between the sun and the earth, which is almost equivalent to 9.3 million miles. While all these telescopes and everything has given us the precision of the value of 9.3 million miles, whereas our ancestors, without using any of these telescopes, he was able to find out the distance by only watching the celestial bodies to the skies. That was the approximation which was given by our ancestors, and even today most of us try to use this shloka whenever it is possible. So this page is dedicated highly for scientific reasons behind astrology, and it is not the myth which we follow. It is the mathematical equations and the formulations which has been given by our ancestors. So I welcome you all to my page, and I am Gunisha Kaushik signing off today.